I'm not over in Qatar before. Go babe, go give me. My brother, my sister, is this a woman, Sonny and Gladys? Don't mind me, but tell me about the facts.
Ana m aga akwụkwọ ka ime.
What the moment? I don't know about.
Ha dị mma. Ezigbo ndị na-atụ gị.
Oh, more you be able.
Ị ga-atrai na ka ịzụ ọnụ jaket ji isi ahụ.
So what I'm saying, you man, I do enough.
You need to go.
Hi, my brother. Hi, Jpac. Go babe, careful.
Onye ka m na ya na-ekwu?
Jennifer. This is Jennifer anyway. Anchoring from Canada. But my page name is Bring Me In, Lovers of Truth.
Okay. Ndewo.
Thank you, my sister.
Okay, man.
I don't know.
Canada. Canada were the same. What 7 hours ahead now from Nigeria.
7 hours.
No, so the same thing was here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want shorter days and longer nights.
Laura now, wow, she will join very soon.
I think more keys. I think even more specifically, what I got around is too important.
Don't say such a thing here, beg. Don't talk about such. Mba, don't talk about.
Yeah, just talking about my boss, so I don't want to use any other word.
I was trying to be sarcastic anyway.
Jekekwanụ.
Adam,
Ihe na-emekwa na-agakwanụ.
Akwena, yeah, but I can't get any now.
I got you. So happy and impressed. That's into ya dal. Onye mepere
my wife got a maples and andom, and I will say it before the camera. I'm a proposal. And you Uba and Uba Balog.
Amen.
But that is what God said that any man who finds a good wife finds
a good
thing and
obtain favor from God.
If any man who like lotara na anara ọ bụ na the man na-emebe ọfụma lọta gị ọ nara emezi ọba nna ga check onwe gị.
Of course.
Check onwe gị very well. Baby aka ga adịrị ọcha. Ịbụ ndị a ga-anọ ọnụ ịghọtagbu ụmụ nwaanyị anyị love, but only those that find their own love.
Do you know what my wife? Do you know what my wife told me? I called my wife today and was telling her that now this gift, this iPhone 14 Pro Max,
Yeah.
that I'm going to give it to her. But if I come back to Nigeria, I'll say, well, babe, instead of you giving me this one, use it and give me your phone, your iPhone 12 Pro Max. I was just shocked. I said, babe, you need, because this one is 1 terabyte. This one is 1 terabyte. I said, babe, you need more space than me. Now I'm a woman. Now I'm not much space. I should use this one and give her that my 12 Pro Max. That is it. And automatically I want to give it to her because she wants more than that. So I want this short of words of anyone. My wife on a herself. And I said, babe, no, don't spend much. Don't spend much. Don't spend much. Okay, what? I found the road and map. You can not. My wife, because I'm going to have a wine. It away now, but not dragging on social media. Only came on and I will make But I said a native doctor, not a go in why. People are mocking me. Now, some Jpac go and look for money. Yeah, Chubego. A native doctor, not a go win. Moja Chubego. I don't know when you're preaching a plan room.
My brother, God's time is the best. God's time. You took your time and you got what God packaged for you. That's the only thing.
Yeah. I'm trying to add you, but on a same reconnecting. They can't join your broadcast at this moment. Maybe if you
refresh.
Yeah.
Yeah, not you. Oh, no, not you. Because you're the anchor.
Mother, when you come on, I'll bring you back again.
Okay. I don't know. I just wanted to say hi to you, but just to tell you that we're one of your fans. Keep pushing. And lastly, our late brother, all of us, although I'm Imo State, but he has imparted to many people who are close to me. And may his soul keep resting in peace, okay? Get focused, my brother. Focus on your marriage. This is a new marriage. We love you. We love you. Get focused, okay? May his soul rest in peace. Adieu to the whole Nnewi people. Thank you very much, my brother. Bye.
God bless you.
Let me leave, okay? Let me just go.
Okay, it's because of guests. Okay, that is why. Okay, Shana might.
All right,
Good
good evening.
evening.
Good evening, ma. Good evening.
Governor, good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma. How are you doing, ma?
Fine. Hello, Teddy.
Are mama.
Oh, Tetela.
Yes, I know, ma.
Yeah.
All right. Jpac, as I said to you on the call since morning, I've called you severally.
Sorry, Governor. Jay, can I help you now? Because nna aga akwụkwọ here, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, one. Take care, okay?
No
Make sure you very well. Now, I'm going to the hot, all right? You'll be fine.
The weather, the one and they never hear about. They never hear. Yeah. Junior, I even had a good as no other gonna not China side towards is it Korea or Hong Kong towards side of Hong Kong.
Yeah. Chai. But it's fine. Fine. Still try to be taking hot thing, okay? And
Very,
cover
very,
yourself.
very,
Yeah.
very, very important.
Take care.
All right. Jpac, at first, I want to thank you from morning till now. I did my best to call you to make sure we're all kept guided, and to the best of my ability and my knowledge, I've known people to be opinion givers, even when it is not necessary. A lot of people will tell you, do this, do that. What are you doing? Are you busy?
I'm listening to you. My wife now going to come online.
Okay. So I have to do my best to talk to you to never respond, because not in the same measure at this point shall you retaliate. There is no need for that. But before I say the next thing I have in mind to say here, I want to let the general public understand that Senator Ifeanyi Ụba is still a very senator of this republic. And even if he's still alive and had won elections as a governor someday, if God permits, that tag senator will always overshadow the image of the governor, the name of a governor, because it is the position of the Senate of which made the laws through which the governor, the state governor, is enjoying currently. And I want our people to have this belief that because you are not close to your senator does not mean another person would not be close to his or her senator. It is your right as a citizen to pave your way close to the ears of your senator. That is an opportunity for you to speak to them. Those in government or those holding government offices or occupying government offices, they need your attention, they need your words, they need your advice. Like me, I have my mouth at the ears of my own senator, you are aware. And sometimes these people, they forget their responsibilities. We must do our best to breathe into them. Then in Igbo land, believe you me, we respect the dead. At the same time, I will also tell you never to engage on any battle with anybody who is no more. Nobody should do that. It is very, very wrong. I cannot mock anybody for losing his or her mother. I will never go that far. And at some point, then we bus stop to everything. And we bus stop to everything.
Yeah.
Everything we are doing on social media will end one day. Everything we are doing. Then we limit, then we lines that we can never cross. To the people of Nnewi, I decided not to say a word before now. To the people of Nnewi, to his constituency, to his own people, to his constituents, both a child, both a year old, both in the 100 years. That man lying in the mortuary is your senator. He is your leader. That man lying in the mortuary, that man whose wife is putting on white right now, whose wife is in agony. That woman bears the pains of your dear senator who is lying lifeless in the mortuary. And nobody has the right to mock at him. We are all looking for money, but let that money has limits. Let it never bring mockeries upon us. Everyone should learn to be careful. Mana one day, if you know not easy, if you know that all our galadimas on the internet, all our noise, all the monies in our accounts, that it has power. Please, go to the nearest mortuary around you tomorrow morning. Tell them, please, that you want to take a look. Then you learn to respect the dead. That we are all alive today is because somebody we think that passed on very few years ago gave back to somebody that gave birth to us. And that's why we are here. Too much of these things I make us in the body too much. One day they will remember. They will remember. Remember, from Sajim Obodo, so many of these great Igbo leaders we have once had, including Nnamdi Kanu, who is in custody right now. One day, all of us will cry, losing this kind of people. All of us will shed tears for keeping silent. When abnormalities, when evil is being meted upon these great leaders, one day we will all cry. Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwo, Aheje Jemba na Limo. These lies are no more. They are no more today. They are no more. Who is replacing them? Are we replacing them with saga ambassadors? Are we replacing them with people who don't care for the common Igbo man? One day is coming when we look around the pole and I will no longer see anybody. Time will tell. Time will tell. Time will tell. Time will tell. And then we, Igbo. It is the moment I should be sleeping, but I'm reminding you, how do you feel when a chicken is chasing a lion? A lion is a on your compound. When chicken is not chasing that lion away, how do you feel? How do you feel? It is not for Jpac. It is not for the family of Ifeanyi Ụba. It is to every well-meaning son or child of Igbo land. It has happened to me. I have stood up one morning where a young man like me, out of my little business, brought out a little I know I can sacrifice just to save my own constituency. And people who should be proud to say that a young Nigerian is very busy trying to liberate his own LGA in Gobala. We are celebrating the agonies of the people, thinking they are mocking me. Has the election turned me to a wheelbarrow pusher? The answer is no. Has the election crumpled my business? The answer is no. Has the election affected me to come and beg you food? The answer is no. You fail to adhere. You fail to have the pains to feel the agonies of those in Umuneke Mortuary in Ngobala. They fail to understand that there is no paracetamol at the general hospital. No health center in Imo State, not even the one in Emekuku, but you can talk about Aladema Mortuary. You can talk about it. Nobody can talk about the sound doctors, medical doctors in FMC in Owerri. Everybody is keeping quiet. Teachers are being owed salaries. Doctors are leaving the country. All we have is brand new keke. People riding keke high purchase. Okada today, Okada that senator can provide and give to people free. That Okada, a senator, that same senator, Ifeanyi Ụba, can still share in hundreds, in 200s. That same Okada today is 1,050,000. And if somebody buys it to give to another Nigerian, onye newe obole for mistake, buru Okada ka oba high purchase. That Okada is 2 million naira high purchase right now. How do we feel as a people? Where is the conscience of humanity? Where is the conscience of humanity? Senator Ifeanyi Ụba has the capacity, the employment capacity across Federal Republic of Nigeria in thousands. In thousands. When did he join politics? He was a businessman. When did he join politics? Capital oil all over the nation. The number of people, as he's lying down in the mortuary, somebody's indomie tomorrow morning, no makia yeri wages school, is falling out from the salary base of that man. And I watched all over the internet, people were posting, making mockery of this man in the mortuary, lying lifeless. Only with conscience. In less than 5 years today, we will still have a cry in our compound. Somebody may call us, name will look like she lose or one of our relations. You know the pressure, you know what we pass through. You know what we go through as a people. This is where I, Governor Zoku, will live. This is where I will drop from this live broadcast. But I want everybody to have conscience. Let's continue the mockery. One day, it will be our own turn. Before I leave this live broadcast, dear Senator Ifeanyi Ụba, to your family, and to you wherever you are, I only sing this song that says, fading away like the stars of the morning, losing their light in the glorious sun. Those who pass from the earth and the toiling, if I remember by what they have done. Umune nani olai nenimo nani olai kageji chetai. If he has done one good thing for you before, if that man has reached out to somebody you know, if the street light in your village, in your community, it did not get to your house, but in your community it got to one pole, and it was attracted by Senator Ifeanyi Ụba, there is no problem. When I woke up and look at the caskets they are selling in the market, I know that I don't know my size there, and I don't know who may go to buy it. Any day I am no more. I don't even know if it will be my enemy. I don't even know. All our category, all our running runs, that you have Rolls Royce does not matter. Nobody knows when it will be our end. To everybody both to you, Jpac, both to whomever it may concern. The truth is what I stick to. Nobody should. Any message on the internet, let the limits stop at the point where we will not mock anybody who is no more. Those people who passed on yesterday, they are the major reasons why we are here. They are the major reason why all of us are alive. Both from your side, from the other side, who will never listen to me. Everybody should at least put a limit. Igbo bukwa n'ofu. Ụtọ soro eji mee ya Igbo bụ ofu. Thank you and good night.
Thank you very much.
Good evening, Jpac.
Okay.
And I want to, I've listened to Governor Ezioku. From your face, it's clearly that you are deeply worried. But I want to tell you something. This woman you see, called Ụba, what she have demonstrated and what she have said in the video and the act of her blackmail did not start with you. This act of wickedness that this woman called Ụba have shown to you, even to the dead. This lady called Ụba have no single respect for the dead. Now, people will be wondering, why do I say so? We judge people by their antecedents. This is a woman, Ụba, that her father, Timothy, brought to America with her mother. The crime the man committed was that he doesn't want to marry the mother again. Not that he beat the mother. What did Ogechi and her mother did? They conspired and lied against this Timothy. Lie against this Timothy, her father. I want you to pay very clear attention. And I don't want you to feel bad about what the criminal Ụba said about you. Because it's in her DNA, it's in her blood. Ụba and her mother, Timothy, and her mother, Edith Ejiogu, conspired against Timothy. And Ụba claimed that her father, Timothy, raped her and called police on her father. I'm talking about her biological father, the man that gave birth to her out of wedlock. That is the man I'm talking about. This same man have compensated her by bringing her to America. This thing happened in America. And Ogechi and her mother conspired. And Ogechi claimed that the man raped her. Now, and Ogechi now called the police. After the whole thing, the court sentenced Timothy to prison. Timothy Okeke from Osumeni, the court sentenced him to prison, courtesy of the allegation the criminal Ụba labeled her father. The father was so frustrating. All these things I'm telling you is in Google. Once you Google, you see it. The father became very frustrated, and the father had to turn to a Muslim. Timothy now changed his name to Musa. Because of the frustration, the criminal Ụba put the man through. Now, the man came out from the prison, and there was a restricting order that gave Ogechi and her father miles away that they cannot even see themselves. The man became a destitute and was walking around begging people in Walmart what to eat. I am talking about the most notorious criminal, Ogechi Okeke-Njaka. So I don't want you to take anything she says in her mouth to your heart. We are talking about a gazetted criminal. This is a criminal that is gazetted in Nigeria. Now, when the man was wallowing and thinking about his life, he met his lovely wife. And they lived together in a separate city where Timothy never talked to Ogechi or her mother for several years. Timothy now wrote a book shortly before he died. I talked to Timothy, I spoke with Timothy on phone. He was begging me to buy that book so that he can find food to eat. The whole thing devastated his life. Now, when Timothy died, the criminal Ogechi Okeke-Njaka never knew that her father is dead. He took us to publish it on social media. She knew that her father was dead through social media. Hello? Are you with me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. When we made it open to the public, the criminal Ogechi Okeke denied her father. We now put the face of the father. It was very identical that she cannot deny again. I'm talking to you because I know that the criminal Ogechi Okeke-Njaka manufactures lies. She can lie for anything. Now, what did she do what did she did when she found out that she can no longer deny, because their facial look is is same. She now said that she wants to give her father a befitting burial. Now, when she was saying that she wants to give her father a befitting burial, the criminal knew that there is a court injunction preventing her nearing her father, even dead or alive. She knew. And she was telling people that she wants to give her father a befitting burial. Now, one lady called Sharon gathered people on Facebook to donate for the father's befitting burial. And one of the things the criminal said, Ogechi Okeke-Njaka, when I mean criminal, I mean Ogechi Okeke-Njaka, that she wants to take the father's corpse back to Nigeria. So people gathered and donated tens of thousands of money.
The way you are sounding, as if are you from Anambra?
I am from Anambra. So wow. She said that she wants to give her father a befitting burial. She wants to take the tens of thousands of money was gathered. That was when she made an apology to Igbo people that Agarapia Konwo. People gathered and gave this criminal money. And as at that time, the criminal knew that there was a court injunction that she cannot even honor the burial. They packed the money and gave the criminal Ogechi Okeke-Njaka. Do you know that the criminal came out on Facebook to mock her father's death and said that the money they donated to her, that she has used it to go and buy land in Nigeria? That is exactly what she said. So don't take it to heart that the criminal mocked Senator Ifeanyi Ụba of the blessed memory. What is happening today is a clear example of fraternizing or romancing with the criminal Ogechi Okeke-Njaka. You are not the have once crossed her paths. People have seen them together. People have seen them do things together, have had this problem, this kind of accusation, one way or the other. Now, look at how she phrased what she said. She put you in the picture because she knew that people have seen you and her before. And she said, did you not tell us in the phone? That is her mode of operandi. That is how she operates. Blackmailing people. That is why she was gazetted in Nigeria. When I mean gazetted, she was gazetted. She has numerous court cases in Nigeria. And most of those cases are criminal cases. Criminal cases. Ifeanyi Ụba versus Federal Republic of Nigeria. So I'm telling you about a serial killer that have no conscience. This is an individual that shared the nude of Nkechi Benko. Somebody that deliberately killed her father can do anything. One day, we will all gather on Akozion's page to say what she did to Akozion too. And when you confront her because she's in America, she will tell you it's her First Amendment right. She told you that she's coming to Nigeria. She knew she would come because she's gazetted. So one thing about this lady is that I think she's gradually and quickly coming to her end. Because my principal once told me that the lifespan of a criminal is not more than 10 years. And this Ifeanyi Ụba have used this Facebook to torment our people, to maim our people, to blackmail our people, and to steal from our people for so many years.
The caller just we just lost the caller. I don't even see the person I just added. But there's no way somebody will request for my live video for me to add the person. I don't know who I added, but all I know is that I just added somebody just the same way I added Governor Ezioku. And I don't need to cut them off because it's an embarrassment for you to add someone at the same time, cut the person off. Maybe network. Hey, Omo, I can't be able to see I'm waiting for my wife to join my live broadcast.
Hello, Jpac.
Hello?
Yeah. So, my brother, while I tell you all these things is for you to cheer up this evening. Take this thing, don't take it to heart. You are not the first person she have labeled a gay. I want you to call traditional Nwokere and ask him about one of his brothers that is called Nonso from Nanka. The criminal Ifeanyi Ụba labeled that young man gay. You can call traditional Nwokere and confirm this one I'm telling you. So this has been her tool that she uses on men. In women, she will call them ashawo. That is why when you listen to her, so the only thing you will be hearing, that is the only nasty things you will hear. That's been her character. Azoriazo, more than a decade in America, she can speak good English. America did not influence her. So you see that is why you see people, before you see people gather on Facebook and be talking about one woman, there must be something evil about that. And they call it saga. That is not saga. But what I found out here is that Ụba And Jpac is getting to her end. So I want to encourage you this evening, don't worry about yourself. Don't worry about she said about Ifeanyi Ụba. I think this is a very great lesson to everybody that is following. And to people that is following the criminal Ụba And Jpac. Because what happened to Jpac will still happen to any of them. Will still happen to any of them. Today she will tell you that she's from Osumeni. Tomorrow she will tell you that she's from what's it called? Imo State. That's how she goes about, you know, with that kind of identity. So, Jpac, I want you to cheer up this night. Mind your business. Forge ahead with what you are doing. Pay less attention to every word that come out from this criminal Ụba And Jpac. She is gradually, I want you to pick that word, she is gradually coming to her end. Now, why do I say so? I know the lifespan of a criminal is not more than 10 years. And this woman has been stealing, getting to 10 years now. And that theory never fails. That is why I know that she is coming to her end. In our eyes, we will see her end. So don't take it to heart. I want you to cheer up. Ifeanyi Ụba is a great, no matter the opinion of anybody, Ifeanyi Ụba is a great man in Igbo land. I came across him during Anambra election, House of Assembly election. All of his boys won, courtesy of him, courtesy of what he has done in the senatorial zone, the security, the CCTV camera security that he was able to install. You know, it was a very big challenge because the whole of that place was no-go area. So I think Ifeanyi Ụba is an Iroko, and the people that are mocking him, in as much as he have his shortcomings, but we will not begin to beam light in his shortcomings because he's human. He's bound to make mistakes. But I think I don't want. I feel very embarrassed why the criminal will bring his name to the mud. But I think because I know Ogechi very well, I was not worried because I know she's full of lies. I know she's full of lies. So I don't want you to, you know, take Ogechi very serious. Her day of reckoning is almost here. Her day of reckoning is almost here, you know. So when you see her talking, you will feel that she have no errors. That girl is full of errors. She doesn't, when she talks, you see that she don't have good parental training. She was not loved. She was not loved. Because if you look at it very well, you see her father never married her. Her father never married her mother. That was why, that is the beginning of the beef. And that was why when she got this said husband, they did everything in Imo State. There was no presence of her father. So if you see that she's coming from a crisis home, so you don't blame her. That woman is partially mad. From the look of things, she's partially mad. She's partially mad. So I want to encourage you this night. Don't be disturbed. I know that nobody have poked you this way, but that is part of life. And why it gets to you is that you have once stood by her, but you cannot stand by a snake. This is a very clear example and an advice to those people that is still with her. You know, some of those people, you think that they are her supporters. They are not her supporters. So these are part of a criminal syndicate. These are part of a criminal syndicate. That is why once there are certain people that she will not make mistake. Those people, those are criminals. You see an account like Alesha Travel. These people are part of the criminal syndicate. They will cheer her up. They will back her. But all those things end in a comment section. All those accounts you see are one people. Sometimes they will migrate to another fake account. These are one people. They will use 2 phones to be commenting. You'll be thinking that she have so many supporters. No, she don't have. She don't have. So, as far as I'm concerned, I want to encourage you, Jpac. Just push the whole thing back. Wear your smiling face, because the greatest joy of the criminal and what gives her the morale, what gives her the energy to do this, is seeing people in this type of condition, seeing that people are in this type of mood that you are now. That gives her that motivation to continue. So push it back and move on. In your eyes, you will see the criminal fall. Good night. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Good day, sir. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you very much. The last caller. I am back. I am back. The last caller said, "Where your smiling face?" Although I didn't know who just joined the live, because either the place is dark or the person don't want anybody to see his face. But all the same, all the same, all the same. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Yeah, good day, sir.
My brother.
Thank you, sir.
I just want to add something from what my dear brother said.
My name is Ifeanyi Ụba. Hello.
Thank you very much. Good morning from here.
Oh,
go on.
Okay. I said I want to add something from what my brother said, because actually I already finished the whole thing. Now, I love the encouragement.
Good morning. Somebody is talking. Somebody is talking, sir. Go on, sir.
Okay. So, just a add up. Say, let me tell you, and this should be a lesson to you, because Most especially this particular Ogechi Okeke and Jaka have already undo on social media. Can there be ye bido ebo na akpari ndị nne mmadụ? Ka ye bido ebo na akpari ndị nna mmadụ? Ka ye bido ebo na akpari nwunye mmadụ? Somebody that just come out on Saturday of your wedding day without your wife doing anything to her. She started sagging the breast of your wife. Just imagine the kind of person we are talking about. This person we are talking about now have done several things like this more than uncountable times without even regret, without even apologized. Now, why this one now? You like this? A person like Ifeanyi Ụba onye ndị Nnewi ji wee dị ebube. Ogechi Okeke Njaka wee nesi anya. Do you know why she doesn't want to mention the name from Ozobro side? Because she know that that particular one is still alive and can undo to her. That is why she chooses to just say it like she wants. Look at a sitting senator, how this idiot called Ogechi Okeke Njaka mocked Senator Ifeanyi Ụba as if labels so many allegations to him. Mention Chinedu Wadike, talk extravagantly as if na they would that man. But for this particular one, we have this lady Owena scot free. Mana and when was he find because he says slap to total and and my anger is this: people that is on duty supposed to say this, and like somebody like Ezugo now condemn we in social media. I haven't seen Ezugo Global TV condemn this thing. I haven't seen Wagwata condemn this thing. Only Emokwana. Sometimes if you watch Ezugo, any paramorstic Senator Ifeanyi Ụba petition how can somebody, because again Ogechi Okeke, you see what Ogechi said about this sitting senator, your own brother, he could not condemn it. My brother, if any day that guy put away condemn we come or condemn anything, I'll call him idiot. For Ezugo to be watching Ogechi, I bought. Insulted a man like Senator Ifeanyi Ụba, and this Ezugo have never come out since 2 days. But Obono Matthias says now, you see that particular guy called Ezugo Global TV. See, Jpac, Ogechi tag go more. Nana alam nike. Will picture my wife post to send a celebrity na around him. Ogechi amono nyembo. Amoromono Gechibo. Just when you see on social media, why are you doing this thing? Oh, yeah, tag no good. Nature my wife, I post a picture na celebrity na my wife. Omoro my wife, none of my wife I can about hello before. Can they be a bit happy beer? Nkechi Benko, Ogechi shared or tongue Nkechi Benko without even remorse. Look at it. A lady called Mirabel in Onitsha. This girl nearly committed suicide. Even as of 3 days ago, she is still sharing that nude. And every day she is hiding under Zion ministry. And these people are seeing this thing without condemning it. But to make sure Ebukobi or her police, army, or soldier, a prominent man like Ifeanyi Ụba. Listen, this is an equality. Tomorrow, I be making a distance. Video send the Gorondem man and didn't know to do all go 10. Mandem on the harbor. And I have already sent the video to Cubana chief priest because he saw that video and said, who is that moron that said this to my own senator, Ifeanyi Ụba? Could only be what I want to about Ifeanyi Ụba. And I will make sure that I will send it to unsendable. This girl can never go scot-free for this. On Friday, I will go to Igwe Palace and they tender this video.
God bless you.
I will go to Igwe and they tender this video. And I have already called Agigo Newi, and I have sent this video to Agigo Newi,
God
and I will
bless
still
you.
continue to be making sure,
God
because
bless you.
this is a slap to Newi. If Newi people generally leave Ogechi or Keke Njaka or gas got free Nankanwa, can they only find Obabuzi to Newi? It can
God
never.
bless you.
It can never. I will go to Equalities on Friday next week,
Okay,
and I will give Igwe this video. Yes, I have already called Agigwe. I will meet the father. Imana see that Ifeanyi Ụba nearly killed Igwe because of the bad news. Iwe ne chanwe ya wokanya we call such thing to Obodo ne kochana nke Jpac. You extend to Chinedu Wadike. Ogechi Okoke Njaka na free na nka mana ndị Anambra was yaji Ifeanyi Ụba we kpọrọ. Ogechi, you must be persecuted. You must be called in order. A city senator that can never go scot-free. Jpac, are you listening to me? Tomorrow morning, I will go live and I will stay like 5 hours and I will be mentioning everybody that I knows. I will send videos across. I will make sure that people didn't teach yet in social media a lesson. This woman have committed more than she required. And if people allow this idiot to go scot-free, I will know that
God bless you. God bless you.
To social media people. Jpac, thank you so much. Just speak courage.
Thank you.
Your wife is very beautiful, and you don't need outside talk. All you need is the love from your wife. Outside talk is nonsense. So pick courage, like my brother told you. We are on it. We will make sure that this video go to appropriate authority, and they will do something about it. Thank you so much, my brother.
Thank you, sir. 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 God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. I'm listening. God bless you.
My brother, Jpac.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good evening from Canada.
Oh, good evening, my sister.
Unu na-anụ ebe Ogechi ekperima na-akpọ bleacher. Bleacher. Ọmụwa bụ bleacher. Jpac, my brother Vigo, come kucha so that I can go off. Sorry. Okay. Jpac, my brother, I just want to tell you, your wife is beautiful.
Thank you.
Your wife, even the first day I saw her, I had him surprised. Cause the Jpac, you waited this kind of beautiful woman, eh?
Thank you very much.
So your wife Maramba hapụ Ogechi nwaanyị nwere ana ya na-eme jealousy. Like me na webe ihe Ogechi na-eme become ọtọ ya shipụta. Hey, Ogechi ga na Google. Hey, ọ ga-awepụta nudu Nelly of Ebu ya si bleacher lọtọ gị agwala m ya si Ogechi na owuhu nwaanyị ọbụla na-ezuzu ka gị. How can a married woman isi na iwe married woman di gị onye amị gị were phone ba n'ime toilets all in the name of live video? Who are you trying to prove point? Ke uduru rubbish points in a try prove to people. Onye Chineke ji buogo me boya. So my brother, I just want to let you know, tell your wife, just see how me why you ignore. Agwara m ya that it's not for someone like me. All these women ọ ga ya ewepụta ọtọ lee na ọtọ onye ka ha agbọsa mba acham ka di m ya lọtọ Ogechi. It is not every woman na-ezuzu. Look at nwunye Jpac. Do you know her? Ịkọla elu kọla ala na-akọ rubbish, jealousy gị nwa na-akọ ya si lee ihe oyi. Look at what you put on your wedding day. Just legodi iyi on your wedding day. So Jpac, my brother, I just want to let you know you have a beautiful wife. We love her. Hapo onyara, let her keep ranting. Oputana ya neti, hey, there's nothing. Onya ina hu nothing. Onyo bru wani ne man ogechi wonyoshi. Ochi bagi saga ye je go views. Iho je go views wu ka gini ka ihu the views ko be mapogi. But I trust you na. I trust you. So Hapo Gechi, tell your wife not to even respond. Let her overlook her. She's just jealous of you. That's jealous of your wife. So my brother, I just want to, come to Haneku. Don't worry yourself. Onyobula Monyo Gechi, the whole world knows her. So in Hobulon, I lay and what about me? Oga, even as of today, Oga will put on nude. Hey, let me auto Sharon. Let me see how in this world, how can my auto Komogechi and I keep telling her that Yobula Zuzu. As Orodo TV knows me, all my demo, all my everything. When I came back to Nigeria last month, I was with Orodo TV and the wife. So, why do you like to tarnish people's image when you don't know nothing about them? Just because I waraginandi wacho hongi, nine zunde banyori, simple. And you think that will shut us up? No, the whole world knows you. We don't need you. You're running a fraudulent NGO. You are running of, and the thing that gives me joy is 99% of nde yana medicine no chobodo Igbo. So there is no one there on Nigeria now and here. They can be scared of her. But that she has met her match so all I wanna popeyante. So obia just bia men can not tell you just she's a nobody. Ogechi is a nobody. Onya Tireti, only been in America for years. Come, she can't even get a house of her own. Onye no Obodo Igbo for over how many years? She can't even know about Zion war, about Zion in. That's what you feed from. Onye who an American citizen. Come to Nigeria, we are waiting for you. I'm not here around. Jpac, my brother, I love you and I love your wife. Stay blessed, okay? Take care.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you.
Open.
Okay. God bless you.
Just a party. Thank you. Get him back.
Yeah, thank you.
I just swept that phone and massage phone and put it on live. Yeah, can
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Network, sorry. Thank you very much.
Wow.
Educate.
Come on, China, Kijambono. China, Bobata mmadụ 20, ma visa, Bobata.
China don't speak Amban.
Dubai, I said Dubai will come on Dubai will come on Dubai. China, I said China, come on China. Dubai, before you Dubai, I have $10,000 in account before you Dubai. $10,000. I got for the account. If you can greet you, good morning.
You know, China Guanzu. You just 2 minutes. How can they exist?
I just want to respect my boss, Ifeanyi Ụba, because of him. Ifeanyi Ụba, only one call name, ma tụrapụ Ifeanyi Ụba kịta ọ nwụrụ with him anytime, any day. You know, Oboro mmadụ ya ga-atụrapụ like that. I know how many people he saved before my eye. Okay, let me use this person as an example. Apinjo Oduma. Apinjo Oduma na-akụ egwu amara onye Ifeanyi Ụba bụ oji nọmba Ifeanyi Ụba ya na Ifeanyi Ụba afụdobe. But Apinjo nwere problem with Obi Jackson na Okija. Nwunye Apinjo bụ onye Nnewi, onye Otoro. Wee chọta nọmba m na social media. Na ngwa testimony. Chọta nọmba m na social media. Wee kpọba m wee sị m biko ọka mụ na ọga ya dị na mma m biko mụ nyere mụ kpọba na ọga na di ya nakwa na abịago bịa bụrụ di ya. Wee kpọọ ọga wee sị ọga nekwa enyi m nwoke eburu. Ọsị m ka onye dị ife azụ si ya Apinjo. Sị m gozuru ohi si ya mba. Ọ napụrụ mmadụ ya nwunye ya si ya mba na ọjọọ okwu ekwuru ekwu just accuse. Ọsị m ka ebe ebube eje nsị ya nekwa Ifeanyi Ụba to some hold on. But IG, the current IG. You know what? If I remember about Apinjo or
on your behalf. On your behalf, because he trusted you.
Yeah, I'm going to say any working Ebruge that Papa Kaya may or some
and your job gave the crime officer not killed according to what you say.
Live video can the question as a correct Apinjo. Or Apinjo, who came for his rescue. Ụba And Jpac.
It's awesome.
Ụba And Jpac. We probably find where you're be. I went for IG. Dabuna Eruzi Eba Hatcher Keru. The next day release here Apinjo Baka. Apinjo where bar studio. And when I will go and verify where bar studio where more go. Where would they find about Guegu? Wee gụcha n'ime egwu a wee sị ti buru ekene Jpac nwa okwu anya ọnụ na-ewezuga Jpac na ihe ukwu agara eme Apinjo. Ọ dị na YouTube. Ọ bụrụ na nna mee ka ntoo onwe m. From there, me and Oduma we became friends. And I told Oduma, nso Oduma na ihe ị ga-eji kwụrụ m Ifeanyi Ụba ụgwọ. Go and sing special track for Ifeanyi Ụba. Oduma wee baa studio. Oje gụọ Ifeanyi Ụba egwu ha na-abụ wee mara were mgbe ọ na-eme campaign Oduma wee gụọrọ egwu free mgbe ọ na-azọ senate mgbe ọ na-azọ second term senate ya. Nke a bụrụ otu ọ bụrụ ịbụ ọ bụrụ ịtọ ọ bụrụ ịnọ ndị m connect goro nwere problem Ifeanyi Ụba sevuru ojiro ntị anụ na onye a bụ onye Igbo a wee jide host stage. Ifeanyi Ụba sevuru bụ ilo
propaganda, maybe some people who put something against him or whatever. Anyway,
propaganda must no understatement. I will say no envy.
yeah.
How could a poor man like me having contact with Ifeanyi Ụba? How could a poor man like me having contact with so many dignitaries? I am not way to be compared with.
A wedding.
Open na Ifeanyi Ụba nwụrụ. Lagos ga-ama na mere wedding. Chat mụ na eka dị na phone m. Ọ bụrụ ego, ọ sị m na ọ bụrụ ego. Ifeanyi Ụba plan to bring Senate president to my wedding. Ọ sị na ọ ga-eji gbara m film. Ka onye ọbụla tụba m egwu na people na high respecting ga-atụba egwu. Ifeanyi Ụba plan to bring Senate. Ifeanyi Ụba single-handedly carried me, say, come, let's go to chamber. Or na Senate House. But Ghana office, see, Senate President.
What a sacrifice.
But made me introduced to Ayaka Sube, Senator representing Anambra North, Tony Woye. But ban office,
but if I may ask, can you be special to deserve such honor, or your sincerity, or just divine favor?
I served on Ifeanyi Ụba for years, born on a Labour Party.
Okay.
I was his driver. Let me tell you, I was his driver.
Okay.
And I was his driver.
On this ably diligently, honesty, what you are, is where you must be,
And as well, back if for a good years, with as well, if we go, it was when during the time the Mega Labour Party on a house capital or I was his driver. One Anamanya Prado. So during that time, you know, we have a matter or with eye service. Oboron care room or with eye service. I didn't work with Ifeanyi with eye service. Even when they were giving people motor cars, people think that I will run away. I did not run away. I still stand quickly because Omi to come awesome na Jpac na mmegeze. That was that time. I'm a mego. I know Agakwa. Onokatakwa Ome Obodo Igbo. You know, if I phone, maybe picking by Obatakwa Nigeria. Obatakwa Oh, we became so much friends. Mbembu campaign and easy. Go and verify. I was the one who sang campaign song for him twice. Mbozoro governor and Mbozoro Senate. More jingle unguru KJM rally in Anambra State. Everybody with a jingle, with a cha, with a cha. And they using even my Morocco with the Kenyama. Orumbo with my hip hop, with my own jingle, a man does from there. If I have a boy on a phone or whatever because no Senate or maybe call that number and money na capital oil join the Labour Party. The same number going to use to damn on.
Okay. I'm really sorry for his this thing. Anyway, Jpac, I saw so many people that came into your program. You know, people are talking this thing. Just know who you are. Don't allow people to bring you into saga. Some of these guys that are coming here, they don't really love you. They are just, let's say, psychophants that are looking for where to, you know, vent their anger, whatever. Or if they have problem with people, they should go and settle it. Make page, you can open neutral page. Just do your things. Don't entertain these wolves that are coming.
No,
I know they are calling some individuals for what. I'm not trying to tell you what to do. I know how our people operate.
Please don't insult anybody on my page. Nobody's wolf.
No,
please.
it's not insult. It's not insult. I'm not defending anybody.
No, don't retrieve
Okay,
your.
okay, go ahead. Let me listen.
Come back, retrieve go that thing here.
Okay.
Don't call anybody wolf.
Okay, I withdraw it. Okay, no problem. I withdraw
You
it.
don't call here my live program now. I'm sorry about war. It was one but life. I will start with war, but I don't want to war. You know,
anyway, I trust you.
Anybody better than my live broadcast. I cannot just because someone they go even though you're right. So nobody is a wolf and every comment here matters. Do you understand?
Yeah, you are right.
So thank you very much. Jesus Christ, here for now.
Okay, I'll do to China.
Jesus, 644.
Thank you. I wish you all the best.
By the grace of God, I didn't know job we be now.
Okay. Can't buy me to Japan Nigeria again. I'm not going to have Japan also.
It was last the 2nd of November.
Okay, that's awesome. I'm going to thank you. Okay, welcome. I'm going to thank you very much. God bless you. Just keep on doing what you are doing. You're first to reckon with, you know, and keep on telling people.
Thank you very much.
It's intelligent, but just be diplomatic and start will be your limit, if I'm not mistaken. You already on the move.
God bless you.
We are one brothers, okay? Thank you. Keep it up.
God bless you. God bless you.
Okay, welcome, sir.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
Let me hear for you before I will sleep. I hear I could have almost 7.
Jpac, I think can congratulate Goody Gods. Congratulations for your new home. We really saw what God did in your life and the life of your wife and everything. How your wedding was successful. We really thank God for everything.
In short, I want to really say something because I've been crying in my heart. By the grace of God, I'm based in Newi.
Okay.
I have never eaten Ifeanyi Ụba 10 kobo, but what I saw Ifeanyi Ụba have done in the life of even many thousands of people are still crying. Thousands of people are still crying till tomorrow because of the buy of Ifeanyi Ụba. You know, sometimes on Adima come ask no onye no mmadụ nso na anụ isi ezie. I want no Ifeanyi Ụba nso. I na-afụ ife na-emekwa na Nnewi. Anọ m Nnewi, I'm proud. Abụghị m onye Nnewi mana wee lukwa echi mma na-ekwu okwu Ifeanyi Ụba. Wee lukwa tomorrow. Because afụbeghị m mmadụ dịka onye ahụ na ndụ m. I never see. I'm from Delta State. I have never seen a man like that man.
Sorry, was that Ogwashi?
Yes, side Ogwashi, Igafe Ogwashi. That's Ndokwa East. Abmonia Balobudu. I can just add Adala song. So if you get see Neje side worry, that is the side of my village. Manon Newi can know where boy. It's okay if Ifeanyi Ụba megolo na Nnewi. Now, when I watch a video, this young woman, I was shedding tears. I was crying. I say, what a word. Keludi, Obiabulu Nebonya. Short, Jpac. Short, I don't want to say much because onwe go be CMM. I'm too emotional. Onwe go be CMM. I just want to let you know that I trust Nnewi people now. I trust Nnewi people. This matter will not lie low. This matter is not going to lie low. Open at this woman maybe on a galia Okifunanka. Bam. Okifunanka. It won't. So I just want you to know that this matter is not for you. Enjoy your trip in China. Enjoy your trip. I know how you feel. I see it in your heart. I see it in your faith. I know how you feel. Just I trust Nnewi. I trust Nnewi people. You are going to see what it is.
The first caller and the second caller, they pour out their mind automatically because the second caller was, kind of. I was even here, nature. I don't know when they put it in easy. Now the thing is, you go to key, go to Prince, and automatically Ibeto will stay here about it. I'll make sure Ibeto will stay here about it. So it's left on the Nnewi. I haven't said actually bank to say how about the entity.
Onwuhonye nọ n'ụwa ga-apụta n'ụwa si na ya dịcha perfect n'ife niile. Ọ bụgodị na Ifeanyi Ụba dịrọgodu perfect mana ọ bụrụzi n'ụdị nke ọ bụrụzi nna kelu isi wee chọọ ka nwunye na ụmụ ya na-asị wee nọ nna imepe ọnụ ịmakwa na ọ nwụrụ dị okwu ahụ ekwu mmadụ na-ekwu okwu itagodo okwu eze. That is not what kind of kelu dị mfe na-achọ. What are you looking for? What do you want to achieve? What do you want to achieve? Kelifi na achieve. Hey, Jpac, please, I just want to greet you. One more to talk. I know na Nnewi. I'm people now Zukora Nnewi. I know people. Even tomorrow, I'm going to meet one of the men who now Zukora Nnewi. You don't worry. You will hear.
I'm go social media because that video will make sure the make off on. Okay, make off we hear about it.
No, no problem. Enjoy your trip.
God bless you, guys.
Caller, thank you. Caller, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Jpac, good evening.
Thank you.
First and foremost, I want to congratulate you in a special way for your beautiful, charming, yummy wife. Jpac, in where I'm a million fugo so one in the hour. My Chineke Jewish with the one where all your man Bizuroke, where goes Yegi, on our fund on our full. Jpac, ponti focus. You know that is only what I psychophant. You got to be very careful with Ejike moment of truth. You know, Ejike add at this table now, this life. You know, I am a woman that stands on the truth. When I see things, I say it exactly the way it is. Ejike moment of truth. You can only control people now your life automatically. Jpac will never condone any attitude of he deserves going to act lauders. To start with it. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. He name all this why people now bargain kitty. Ipatugaka na lion dance. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Forget about Mirabel Ishara Nudio. I am not talking about myself, but I am talking about the dead person. Onye nwara Ogechi Okeke. Onye nwara ki mepere ọnụ gị were sị na ya na Jpac na-akpọ ntu. Ogechi hụ gị. One day, I am telling you the gospel truth. Or putting in a saga. Everything is all about saga talk. This very man you are talking about canon a mortuary for crying out loud. Onya Kadine knows family can a prominent, a well famous man na society, a whole senator, Dopinozu, Ogeti with a wire saga. Ogeti, Ogeti, let me tell you, you thought you based in America, Naga he hold we captive. That's why you can open your mouth, wow, lousy mouth, where you are talking, you know, feeling on top of the world. Listen to me. If you have beef with anybody, Ogeti, go and tackle the person. Leave onye nwara alone. Hapu onye nwara anwụ aka, onwe again Ifeanyi Ụba na akọ. Ogechi, you know deep down your heart, Ukwu Ifeanyi Ụba kudoro. Ogechi, you can never ever ikudo ya. My mother's way inherited a lot of things from that man. Oh God, our side, I'm from Achinagwata. I even with the benefit in Aki Ifeanyi Ụba. Aumonya Achinagwata. Ifeanyi Ụba touched a lot of souls, including my mother. We will never forget it in a hurry. That man laid a very beautiful standard. So many widows all on a buy. I can equip today. Only the felt need of the community. Yeah. Oh my hendi beyechoro. Oh my hendi beyechoro. Oh my hendo bodoyechoro. That is the reason this man will woni kodeka Anambra webiribo odeka nukutiro kada. Nukutiro ko be here with you in Anambra state. Ogechi Okeke, you open your mouth because in on America. You me porn na accuse innocent, peaceful man. And we him to po Jpac na pontu. Listen to me. Unless in on Anambra state in Kayaki, Ogechi, Ige Hogola, Ige Hogola, in a bull people, name a lot of people are social media, and I wasn't getting. Since Ogechi and me here, Jpac had to prepare her. You went me porn okay. No, Ogechi. The worst mistake we made the video, you deleted it. Why did you delete that video? Can you delete the video?
Oh, we don't Kenji because I'm playing again.
Ogechi, if you call yourself a woman, why did you delete that video? Can you believe you delete it here? Even at that, Ogechi, Isoronakande Zion will never save you. Isoronakande Zion, when I Zion can never caution you. Ejike moment of truth anyawo enwerike caution Ogechi. Ine putere ndi Igbo aja afa. Ejike anya okporo anyawo can never caution
Ogechi. You know, I used to caution. I cautioned him when he was trying to.
Na social media. I have never ever seen Ejike moment of truth ever caution Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Why? No, Jpac, because time. Let me talk.
Madam Tere, I'm not in for saga, as I said. I just joined the live video and and to mourn Senator Ifeanyi Ụba, give him a minute silence. So I better drag be Odeka Abaka war. It was I don't want to engage for any war. My wife, I respect her so much, and she want me not to engage with anyone because I have brand to protect. The reason why I did not cut people off immediately, Bona, nobody insulted anybody. They were, trying to air their opinion in a very calm way.
Excuse me, Oga Jpac, when you went on court, no consider no kanjiku. Ejike moment of truth. If you now what question and answer. Kedonye you get the audacity in a one word question. Jpac made a mistake. You don't own that man any explanation. Igaguga and one you need explanation. Iba abu ikbegi. Oku aburu okugi. Oku ndi Anambra. Oku ndi Nnewi. And oku ndi Anambra say ho. Because this man and a man they represent
my senior brother and also his brother is calling me. My senior brother 1 day 1 minute. 1 name. Adema, good morning from here. I was calling you based on what is trending online. I hope you are aware. Our own boss, somebody pick up allegation that Namna he would Ifeanyi Ụba, and the video is trending everywhere. Even I would already send the video to Prince of Nnewi, both Igbo areas we are here today, and some prominent men that matters, which is your Boko one day why we will get into that. Yeah. I'm listening. I'm live, but I'm listening. I'm listening. The name is there. Yes, now. No short one here when you G the full one. Not short one here, the full one, even on WhatsApp, I'm go 10-20 minutes video. Okay. I'll get back to you. Yeah.
So thank you, Nanya audience. Is that call line? You do on my mind in Japan at this program. I watched in here Ejike Moment of Truth to the good. And those Ejike Moment of Truth will padi ogechi okeke jaka okoto one on a social media. Live program. This man never condemned Ihogechi Neku. On transit Ihogechi Ronopota. From beginning to the end, the life ya watch him ya. Ebon Apo, a whole senator. Nwoke Kumanaka yote enwe topo enwe dent. He will be there for you people. I remember this B-Lord now social media when they got him arrested. I don't think B-Lord will spend up to 2 hours immediately. Onye nwere mmadụ ka onye nwere ego. Inwe gina that man kwụrụ emana gina mmadụ kwụ. Oyi ụmụ ogbenye. Ndị ọ na-enyela aka uncountenance people. Nyanwa ka oge echi okeke njaka nwere opportunity. Were nọrọ ala America bụ nna ya ebubo na nna ya do ekwonye repuo ya. If a woman can accuse a man that gave birth to him of raping her, she is capable of killing. Okay, to me upon wow. I've been watching this man on a Moment of Truth called condemn Ogechi utterances. This man never did it. In your bereba which question and answer as Ronye jab. Ejike Moment of Truth and Wali Ife.
Okay.
Open a program as
Thank you. Come, we go. God bless.
Take it like it happened there. Can do good now? Till it's a fuck up Ogechi. Oje teach for your honor. Onyara.
Because cannot put you on because my wife just called me. Some become Jana order. Thank you, because Onya Frotaka now is 12 midnight in Nigeria.